morning, Olys. I'm Hector, and this is
Brissia.
And welcome to your Monday edition of Oly Tv.
That's right, a new week, a new vibe, and it's a big one because it's Parent-Teacher Conference Week.
Progress grades are out, and this Wednesday from 4:30 to 7:30 p.m., it's time to show off your hard work and to your families.
There'll be community resources, food trucks, and of course, our amazing Gateway staff.
Students, don't forget, we're collecting nominations to celebrate the incredible teachers and staff who make Gateway shine.
Scan the QR code posted around campus and nominate one teacher and one non-staff member who go above and beyond every single day. Let's recognize those who make Gateway great.
And speaking of recognition, it's time to give a huge shout out to our honor roll and rising star students.
That's right, these Olys have been putting in the work and learning by example. Let's check out the spectacular future.
We want to make sure that you know what the awards are for, so we have a variety of awards that we're going to be giving out tonight. And the first one is honor roll. So students who receive that award, it's because they earned a GPA of 3.5 to 3.99 for the quarter. Anderson, quarter one honor roll. Giovanni Arellano Morales, quarter one honor roll. Maya Cohen, quarter one honor roll. The second award that we'll be giving out tonight is the Principal's Honor Roll. And this is for students that earned a GPA of 4.0 or higher for the quarter. We also have our Rising Olympian Award. Students whose quarterly GPA was at least 1 point higher than their cumulative GPA.
Next is Janet Kahina, quarter one Rising Olympian.
We also have Perfect Attendance Award.
Mr. Isaac House, quarter one Perfect Attendance.
And our last award that we'll be giving out is Access Redesignation. This is
Arzuma Namboni for Access Redesignation and quarter one honor roll.
Last chance, Olys. The Tri-M Music Honor Society is wrapping up their food drive for the food bank of the Rockies.
Bring in your non-perishable food items to the choir or band rooms by tomorrow, November 11th. Let's show that Oly spirit and help the families in need.
Now, let's talk clubs because Gateway's got something for everyone.
BSA meets this Wednesday in room 408. They'll be discussing Friendsgiving, Shop with an Oly, and the Colorado Battalion.
Senior Student Council meets in room 210, Speech and Debate in room 204, and Fiber Arts is back in room 422.
Chess Club meets in room 203, and Freshman Student Council with Miss Hinson is gearing up for elections. If you're running for a leadership spot, come make your campaign flyer and make your name out there.
Olys, ready to explore your future? The ACE Mentor Program is back with free career exploration opportunities.
This program offers scholarships, paid externships, summer camps, and mentoring that continues even after high school.
Meetings are Wednesday next semester at ranging from 3:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Use the QR code to talk to Mr. Words to learn more.
Hey, do you know when preseason for volleyball is? Yeah, starting from today, there will be boys preseason volleyball starting from 3:30 to 4:30. Any more information, you can email coach right here.
Got clothes you don't wear anymore? Drop them in the green donation bin out front. It's an easy way to give back to the community.
Just make sure your clothes and accessories are bagged before dropping them in. Let's keep Gateway giving.
Heads up, Olys, the National Honor Society is still accepting new members. You'll need a 3.5 GPA and be a sophomore, junior, or senior.
Applications are due tomorrow, November 11th. Stop by room 210 and grab yours before it's too late.
Buy concessions, get involved, and keep that Oly spirit alive, because this week, Gateway's got it all. Have an amazing Monday, Olys.
Stay kind, stay curious, and keep making it a great day at Gateway High School.
Once an Oly, always an Oly!